Hello friends! Today I will show you step by step how you can install DeepSeek R1 Artificial Intelligence on your computer. If you want to work with artificial intelligence models without internet, the information I will tell you will be very useful. First of all, we go to the ELM Studio EYI website and download the ELM Studio AIA application according to our operating system. I am speeding this up for you. Our download is complete. Now we install the application. We say go ahead and install, installation is done. Now we open the application. Let me briefly talk about this application. This application is a chat box, a tool that allows us to use open source artificial intelligence. Models, we say go ahead. Since there's no artificial intelligence database integrated in our application, we cannot get any response. For example, let's say hello. As you can see, it gives the warning that there is no model. We go to the Explore section. As you can see, there are many models, and I download the one suitable for my system. While the download is in progress, here's how you can determine the appropriate DeepSeek model for your computer's power. We go to this website. I leave the website links in the description section of my video so you can easily access it from there. As you can see, we are able to display DeepSeek models and system requirements. You can also download the version suitable for your system from this website. You can also ask your computer hardware information to the DeepSeek online model and ask it to provide you with the best DeepSeek model for your system. The difference between the models depends on how many millions of parameters the model has, or the purpose of the model. For example, you can download an AI model trained in coding or math. The higher the number of parameters, the more system power required, and the higher the accuracy of the answers. You can access detailed versions and models here. I am speeding up the download process for you. Our file is downloaded, and now we can use the DeepSeek R1 model by turning off the internet. Let's do a little test. The result is perfect. You now have a local AI on your computer. If you have successfully installed the model, you are ready to use DeepSeek. If you get an error, you can check for missing packages by carefully reading the error message in the terminal. If you like the video and want to see more AI content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.